third video will show you how to add a executive session to a Moodle course. First you want to go up and turn editing on, and what we're going to do is add an activity up to the upper part of your course. So I'm going to scroll down to where it says add an activity. We already have a weekly session, and what we need is an executive session attendance. So I'm going to click an activity. So now I'm going to add an activity. This is going to be an attendance activity. I click that radio button and I add it. And we're going to call this executive session number 1, attendance. We will just save that. So now you have the activity there, and if we scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see it. There it is. And now what we want to do is basically you want to go in and now set it up for this session. So what we want to do is we want to add a session. So we're going to add a session. And we're going to use today's date, which is 6/25. Let's say it started, its duration is 4 hours. And it started at 8 a.m. We're just going to add one session, 4 hours. And then that's all we really need to do to add this one session. So now I'm going to add the session. And now that session is added. And if I wanted to, I could, let's just go out and verify that it's there. So I'm going to go back to the course. I actually turned editing off. And if we go click this, you'll see there it is, the session 1. Now what we might want to do is change this to, so let's go in and edit this session. So I'm going to go back to the course. I'm going to edit this activity, and that way we will be a little clear on how to do this. I'm going to turn editing back on, and I'm going to go down to that activity. And I'm going to actually put all of the executive sessions in there. So I'm going to change this to edit settings. And I'm going to take this and say these are for all executive sessions attendance. Okay, now that I have that done, I can actually go back in and I can turn editing off now that that's set up. I'm going to scroll down now to this. Now you notice it says executive sessions attendance. And I'm going to add another session. And what I would want to do is just choose the right date and put all the information just like I did last time, and you'll be set. And then I would do that for the third session as well. Hope this is helpful. If not, give me a shout. Thanks.